What's going on, you all? It's Timstuh. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be reviewing the YAMAY smartwatch. Now, people that are going to be looking into this smartwatch are because they're looking for some form of an alternative to an Apple smartwatch, and I believe we got a winner for you all today with the YAMAY. It definitely surprised me in terms of just very much quality and the functionality and performance. I've been using it for the past little over a week now, and I'd have to say that I was pretty not too bad, man. I was pretty impressed by it. So before we talk about the full review and what I think about it, I just want to say thank you so much for over 160,000 followers on TikTok. Thank you so much for our growing community on Twitch and YouTube, as we're constantly growing with over 1,300 on Twitch and over 4,000 subscribers right here on YouTube, and therefore it really means the world. And so if you're interested in content like this, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube, get involved with our other communities, as you definitely will not be disappointed, as we always try to write back to the fam. Go ahead and get right into the review. So yeah, so I ordered this just not too long ago, and so therefore with my insights, I additionally had a Android formality of a smartwatch before, meaning mostly smartwatches can work far more fluid with Androids versus just Apple. If it's not the Apple smartwatch, all Apple products tend to do that anyways. They have more of a loophole in order to do different formats of tech gadgets when it comes to aftermarkets, quote unquote generics or knockoffs. Although I would not call a lot of upcoming startups and tech businesses, I wouldn't call them knockoffs anyway, because I feel that there's a lot of bargain tech that works just as good, or if not even better, than some of the actual brand names, monopolized companies that can work around the globe. So the YAMAY smartwatch, let's go ahead and talk about it. It is unboxed. It's right here on my hand already. I have it right here. All right, so let's talk about that story. I had an older smartwatch. It favored Android way more. When I try to connect to Bluetooth, it always disconnect. I forgot the name of it, but just to give you an idea versus this one. So yeah, when I would connect through my Bluetooth, it would ruin my AirPods, and it would go back and forth. It was just inconsistent. It felt real cheap. It didn't feel quality at all. Now this YAMAY is actually very much surprised me. The quality feels amazing. They have different color bands also. You can get white, black, I think grayish, silver, black, and I believe they have multitudes of colors also. But here, what really blew me away was the quality. Like, as soon as you feel it, the quality is amazing, and it feels more like an Apple smartwatch than any other smartwatches I've utilized before. I had a few, and like what I said, they felt more for an Android. So Apple users, you're really gonna love this one. And my favorite flex on this smartwatch is is the aspect of the charger. It has a magnetic charger. So right here you could see that it has, let's see if I can get that like zoomed in. I don't even know if you can, it's too small. But basically it's like it's a magnetic zoom in, and I'll try to have some editings on here. And the magnetic charging format is incredible. That's something that as soon as you take out the watch, you notice that I was trying to look on the sides to see if it was a USB-C. I tried to look around and it was a magnetic charger. I thought that was the coolest shit ever that I ever seen. So we're gonna go over the box. So YAMAY, it says YAMAY smartwatch, and then it says step pedometer. It says sleep monitor, SMS alert for your text, and you can also connect your music, and heart rate monitor and screen display. It is a 1.3 inch LCD color screen, 24 hours of dynamic heart rate monitoring, and then message. Message is various social networks, timely display the latest dynamic information. And you could track your sleeping on here and also your steps. I do 10,000 steps, and I work out 6 days out of the week. So I love to use this more for fitness, sleep, and then some music. You can connect music to your watch also, but if I'm at the gym, I just have my AirPods in here. So simultaneously, you can still be connected via Bluetooth to the watch while going through their app. And so yeah, that really helps out a lot. I believe when you download their app, it helps out so much, because just connecting, it was effortless. I didn't have to take a lot of time. I just downloaded their app, and it was really easy with that. So everything as far as connecting and being able to move forward with the smartwatch really did help out a lot. as I'm a gadget person and I know I wanted a smartwatch again, but I always shied away from because usually a lot of the ones, especially on Amazon, favor Androids more. So the YAMAY really has stepped its game up, and the functionality just feels far more quality when you put this on. I love everything about it. Like, you can see it right here. It feels great. It really much, it responds really fast, and the quality of it tracks and what it does. It's something that has all the dates, everything's on point. So the date can be out of point, but then once you set it up through the app, it really helps you out. So you can keep track of your steps and your fitness on there a lot faster. So I would say this is kind of in between a Fitbit / Apple smartwatch, but it has the whole Apple smartwatch interface, the feel of the band, it feels real quality. And I would say that, you know, when I take it off, it feels really good. I love the way it looks. It feels cool. It looks cool. It turns off. You get a flick of the wrist. That's actually one of my favorite features. It's adherent to when you respond and when you turn your hand around, it turns off and on. And so I really like that. You can see that right there. You can see it I really like that. The battery life is actually really amazing. There's times I had it for about maybe 10 days now. And I've only probably charged it like once, and so it actually lasts a lot. It still has 74% battery right now, connected Bluetooth, and so yeah, I think battery life on here is incredible. So to summarize everything with the YAMAY smartwatch, great for people that are counting steps. Counting steps is always amazing. Your sleep. It has a music you can connect to, and it has your text alerts. You can get all your text on here, and then you can simultaneously connect other things. So if you have your headphones that are wireless and this, you can connect at the same time versus other smartwatches you really can't. I love the charging functionality. It's a magnet, and it goes right under the watch. That is super cool. Let me see if I can show you all that right now. And then, let's see right here. See right there? It's a magnet right under that. And then the battery life is actually really incredible. So there's just a lot of wins in here for it being far more of a bargain smartwatch. And if you want it to feel just like the functionality of an Apple smartwatch, I would say that this is probably one of the closest ones I looked, because I was doing all my research on Amazon. This is probably one of the closest ones that actually looks, feels, and is adherent to the Apple smartwatch if you don't feel like dropping that much money. So I appreciate you all so much. My name is Timstuh. This was the YAMAY smartwatch, and good job to them. Shout out to them. If y'all like content like this, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace.